your girl Coco. Welcome back to my channel. So today I received my package from Kai, which is this lovely jacket. So my first impression of the jacket is the quality. The quality is on point, okay? So it's thick. As you can see, it doesn't feel too lightweight, but not too heavy. This is a size large. So I'm really feeling the jacket. I can't wait until I style it. I just received that. So let me do a quick video for you guys. A first impression of the jacket so you can see me unboxing it and unveiling it to you guys. So right now I have no makeup on, no nothing. I'm just kind of bumming it out right now. So this is it. It's a dope jacket. I seen this jacket also on other websites such as Micas. It will run you about $50 on Micas. I got this jacket for $102. I don't know the quality of Micas, but if you want something a little bit more less expensive, you can try Micas. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Micas, but M-I-C-A. I think it's with an S too, but this is the jacket from Kai, and I'm loving it. So stay tuned and watch me style it. I don't know when I'm going to wear it, but I will post a video of me wearing it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Like and subscribe and comment if you can. But please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.